Alright, so today is the 13th of February, and as everybody's supposed to know, tomorrow, which is the 14th, is Valentine's Day. I remember we did done talk about it from 2 days ago, or a week ago, say. At the first time I'm actually do the Valentine's Day thing here, so me not fully.
First I do it?
Yeah, at first I do it. I would say normally other relationship are normally just like a boom bang bang bang.
Aww.
Bang bang squing.
So sweet. So my love for some boys them mature and grow up and do the good things them for the girl them. Because these are good things.
Be a black boy.
Yeah, so
Just a little bit.
so I'm gonna make Mr. Experience.
Oh,
Over here.
what am I gonna do?
Yeah, gonna give me some tips.
No sir, talk to auntie.
You want to keep your
Our
girlfriend?
auntie.
You want to keep your
If
girlfriend?
you want to keep her,
Yeah. You want her forever?
Yeah, why not?
So you some tips, I mean what you want to say mama.
Alright, so what exactly you want to do?
I mean, me normally do things so you know.
Yeah, normally
Yeah.
No, but him never do no Valentine's Day.
No, as in thing I.
Boom, bang, bang, bang. We don't know what that means.
Me said that all the
I'm
time.
scared.
Alright, so what me say? With she,
You never do nothing.
me normally do things fair what people would normally do for Valentine's Day, but me do it as a normal thing.
Oh, so you want to do something different.
So if I find something like out of the box and
pass. How long you had a girl like that?
from November.
Me, do you make it sound like our 5-year relationship where you do it sitting every year?
Oh no.
Some relationship really move speedy and
No.
still feel.
No, let me tell you what me think say. Me think you know that like yo, him do everything, something for like
Yeah,
every
I
Valentine's
understand.
Day.
Oh no.
But my thing is, me no know what you normally do. You normally cook. What is it?
Exactly, yeah. Come
You
here,
normally
can
Every time.
cook like them just normally cook for your
Alright, so-
normal thing.
Alright, so
Come here, do.
is it a case?
Like the Valentine's not it.
No?
No, not it.
Where do you think? Is it anyways, so if it's a case, them are the basic questions. You want to spend some money? You want to spend money?
Say it loud, Kadisha boy. You know what?
Give him a tripod. You look one.
I'm good man.
Me good.
You want?
I mean, spend the money is a must.
Alright, so what your budget?
10.
10?
Say what?
Alright.
10G.
We can flip 10G. So if you want to get her, you don't want to cook.
No, I don't want to cook.
Both are not going to go out, or you just want to get her something and bring it in?
Feed them, I can bring her out. Feed them.
Scottish red care.
You're in care?
Bicycle.
Oh my solution is much better. You share that one thing and this and that. First thing first, is the KFC. No man.
Come on, Kaddish.
Hold on.
This year,
This is the second thing. She said girls of things that they can't keep, right?
For a
I mean, she
very
said
long
9.
time.
9 months you could put baby from. Like this.
yes, this year, stop it. This year we are keep woman and we are keep woman them, okay? This year relationship them are work.
I don't know if she's a woman then.
You ain't giving up him.
Firstly.
You get where you don't get.
Get now.
I think I want more than that, you know.
Don't think I want any more than that.
Make the girl feel special and nice for her day. Get her something she can look on and say, oh my, baby, I remember 7 years ago when you got me this? I still have it. And that's the one.
I think, you know, so 7 years ago my ex got me this.
Why you make JSR do them something there?
No, but I didn't know. Let's assume both possibilities.
You actually have to think wide.
Yeah,
Think on a
wide.
broad scale.
Yeah.
Yeah, agree with Jason?
Me not agree.
Disappointed.
Me not agree. Me listen to you. Me listen to him.
Get her, you can go both. If you want it to look more, because if you want to get more like content out of it, what you can do is get her the gift and then in her evening you go have ice cream, because a Sunday she probably going to eat her Sunday dinner before she left the yard. Belly go full. Unless you tell her not to eat and then you that got the dinner. But a Valentine's and then everybody on YouTube and Jamaica, so they're not going to say, okay, YouTuber coming today, no music. So music might spoil the vlog there. Unless you not go wait until you done it and go inside for vlog. So my best advice to Una is get the ice cream or the cake or God never knows when you sit down in that grass, bring on a nice little sheet. Maybe too hard.
Wait, a lemon sheet.
What?
Lemon sheet.
No, you drink it, I'm sure suggesting.
Lemon
Bring a
sheet.
nice little comforter
Other
and
sheet
spread
of
it
paper.
out in that grass.
Sheet of zinc.
That's what you just bring a nice
No, but wait, but you tell
comforter.
them about picnic. They tell you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now let's clap in the car tomorrow. We're going to go under the tree or isn't?
Tomorrow we stay in the house.
Under the tree then.
Kadish, buy her a gift, wake up early tomorrow morning, place I go up by 8:30. If I want nice pharmacy go, and yet them have some nice gift basket in there with the chocolate, them rum and raise the chocolate and a little sparkling wine and something. She will appreciate it. Me not telling a lie. And that's a $4 grand. I remember your budget at 10. You can get one nice basket for 4 or 5 grand. You still have 5 grand left back. Ice cream and for 5 grand. 1,000 for fair ice cream, 1,000 for fair ice cream. Probably cheaper. You still have 3 grand left back. Guess what will happen? You win. Because you win a girl heart and you
Save some money. There we
Think
go.
about it.
Cannot lose, brother, man.
Cannot. Oh.
I don't think we can lose for this one. Oh, there you have it, people.
You see, by the time you look tomorrow,
Yeah.
you're deep. Yes. Hello.
Me can't just me can't stomach you, I see.
Swimming.
Hey, let me find out my I go like a complaint.
So there you have it, people. The plan for tomorrow is made.
You didn't confirm, tell them which one you do. You want something you just say.
Tomorrow you will see.
Alright.
Stay tuned.
Alright.
Right. There's that. Deep. So everybody, so after 5.5 hours of waiting, Gabby's finally here. And you can see some eyes I'm kind of asleep, you know? No, me.
You don't sleep?
Yeah, me that sleep.
Why?
Cause how much miss card I get, Gabby? How much miss card I get?
How much was that?
Before me even showing who is Gabby, how much miss card I get?
I was 6. But
Pa-
other people didn't come.
Oh, so my miss card is ready for.
Yes, they are, but I left my phone. Hi guys.
Where you left your phone?
In the room. I'm the door all the way around. All the way around.
Introduce yourself, cause
Hi guys, I am the one and only Gabby.
you still want to come on the party later? You don't want to come?
No.
Me still August. Can I?
Get something I want, man.
Alright, so she said she want ice cream and cake as well. Ice cream and cake. So she get ice cream and cake. Go again?
Ice cream and cake.
You know she even sell ice cream and cake? Or them sell ice cream? I want to go over. Yeah. I think they have a bigger variety of things. Alright, far. Alright, so Gabby's gonna get some ice cream and some cake because that's how Gabby wants Valentine's Day. Gabby don't want anything else. Gabby's not a fussy cat, so Gabby doesn't mind whatever she is. So whatever.
Like Gabby.
So be like Gabby. You know, so whatever Gabby says she wants, that's what it can't please her dog, so that's why we find one cheap light can stand up on that. So whatever Gabby says she
You
wants.
believe the ring light people. They walk with it.
No, I know. So whatever Gabby want, Gabby get. Gabby want 2 scoop of 1.5 scoop of ice cream. Gabby get 1.5 scoop of ice cream. So let's go. I don't know why Gabby stopped around there looking like she want more than half scoop of ice cream. So how much ice cream I want, Gabby?
Proud.
Well, you don't like her neither.
No. We don't do that.
But I mean, we could have do this tomorrow, but seeing that me have work, which is road work, and Gabby have work tomorrow, so we can't go on the road tomorrow. So I mean,
That's a Vash Wednesday.
even though Valentine is always Valentine, you know, I mean every day can be Valentine once you make it Valentine's Day. So, but gotta work with the females. Huh? No, I mean, me wanna talk, right? So how Gabby Still.
Before the field, go on in.
Gabby, nah. Gabby, I don't work at this. They can't get any credit. Where you work, Gabby?
I work at a place.
Which place you work, Gabby?
One phone place, but
One phone place.
the name is disclosed.
It's close. What, first of all, what kind of credit you use? What kind of credit you use?
Digital.
Woo.
Digital.
Alright. Let's see what kind of ice cream we have. Alright, so we're literally like the last set of persons we're allowed to go into the ice cream place. Because they pack, like full pack. So, Gabby got her ice cream and her cheesecake. So do you want that? You want that?
Put the earth and stand up and wait.
Yeah, but it should look, it says who come right in time because we're the like the last person to get through.
People forget through.
Alright, so I'm gonna bring Gabby home to her mother before her mother start home down because of curfew. I left for like 10 minutes. And we can't get a statement right now if I come from nobody daughter. So come on, well, we can't in
I'm
about
responsible for my life. Out
Well.
of the road.
there you go. So I'm gonna bring home Gabby. I'm gonna ask him this.
No, mine.
This I want.
Mine.
So
Crunchy
why am I get crunchy munchie? I'm gonna get straight
strawberries, straight.
strawberry straight.
Berries.
Alright, good. Take up your cheesecake, uncle. Somebody buy me no cheesecake, but it's alright. I don't eat cake anyway. I don't eat, huh?
It's anything, get anything.
Yes.
Never say I want cake, you know? Never say I want cake. But it's V-Day. V-Day is for the world.
Yeah, alright, so you get what you want. So you're sure this is all you want? Because I don't want nobody in a comment section to come for me and tell me, say, oh, I just bought her ice cream. Oh, this is what she said she wanted. This is what she got. Right, Gabby?
Right.
Gabby, you can stand up on that and say, this is what you wanted.
Exactly, that's really what I wanted.
Is that what you want?
We're going to put screenshots.
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 To say what you wanted. So,
Yeah.
even though Anja done show me vibes from last night, when I talked to she said she want ice cream and cheesecake. So, she got ice cream and cheesecake. So, I'm gonna walk her home and talk a bit. You know the vibes, London. You know the vibe, come on. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. So, Gabby.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, go watch the channel.
Kadish TV.
And you have one, you share one YouTube channel. So she's on YouTube channel. Where is her name?
Gabby La Jojo.
Don't know why she's over the mask now. I feel like I get corona now. I don't.
Gabby La Jojo.
Gabby La Jojo.
Yeah, the link will be in the description.
Nope. Gotta pay me for that. Gotta pay. Alright. Link in description.
Link in the description.
Gabby's a far walking. Why you live so far? Why this time you live so far?
But if they want to come for me, everybody gone.
Everybody gone? Like, shall I yell on the home?
No,
Who the home?
my madre.
She asleep?
Nada.
Nah. Alright. When it's dark, so let's bring home Gabby. So Gabby reach home. There you go. I almost don't eat my ice cream.
And you start. Kadisha God.
Anyways, goodbye. Goodbye, Gabby. Bye.
Later, take care.
Bye. Yeah.
They make you look so.
Bye, Gabby. Alright, so tell them later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, be safe.
Alright, so I'm gonna say I can jump on a taxi. A curfew time, so I'm probably not getting none, so I'm probably gonna sleep on the sidewalk. So if we go back to my sidewalk tomorrow, we never get a taxi. I drove, I get a
Don't
taxi.
say that.
I drove.
Later.
Later.
Alright.